So yeah, shoot us your questions. Hashtag Ask Solarhood. But we have a question for this week.
This week's question is there a better part of the country that works better for geothermal than other parts of the country? And go.
Well, in our analytical minds, probably we want more details on this question. Is it incentives? Is it like efficiency based? But I'm guessing, that constant temperature across the U.S. Is pretty stable, right? And so really you don't need to be in a desert or in a cold place to have geothermal.
Right, and sort of like the ground source technology isn't, or geothermal, isn't limited solely to dirt. Like you can do a system with like a lake, or like you can exchange your heat that way. So you can adapt this technology to multiple environments. It just becomes a question of like at where and what cost. And I think anywhere in the world, well, anywhere in the United States at least, but definitely anywhere in the world, geothermal is something we should all move toward adopting, because we have a limitless supply of heating and cooling, like 4 to 6 feet under our feet if we're doing horizontal.
That's a great answer.
So do that 1-2 punch, solar geothermal, Cool.
Do it today.
I love it.